Lil Baby's attempt to save Lil Durk in the courtroom with serious evidence has been denied by prosecutors, who countered with solid proof, leaving no change to Lil Durk's final sentence. This shocking development has sent waves through the hip-hop world, leaving fans wondering whether there's any hope left for the Chicago rapper. Lil Durk, a figure deeply embedded in both the streets and the industry, has been fighting his legal battles for years, but now it seems like the walls are closing in. With Lil Baby stepping up in what seemed like a game-changing moment, many believed this would be the turning point to set Durk free. Instead, prosecutors came prepared, shutting down the defense and reinforcing their case with undeniable evidence. For those who haven't been following closely, Lil Durk has been entangled in serious legal troubles, with charges ranging from weapons possession to violent offenses. Despite his fame and fortune, the law has kept a close eye on him, and every move in his case has been scrutinized. Lil Baby, known not only as a rap superstar but as one of Durk's closest allies in the industry, decided to step in when it mattered most. But the legal system isn't the rap game. Respect and influence don't hold weight in a courtroom. It all started when Lil Baby, determined to clear Durk's name, presented what he and his legal team believed to be game-changing evidence. Rumors spread fast. Some said it was surveillance footage proving Durk's innocence. Others speculated that it was crucial testimony or new forensic details that could dismantle the prosecution's case. Whatever it was, it had the hip-hop community on edge. Fans were convinced that Lil Baby was about to pull off a miracle, flipping the case upside down and giving Durk his freedom. But the prosecution wasn't about to let that happen. In a dramatic turn of events, the court rejected the evidence outright. Prosecutors came prepared with counterproof, so strong that any hopes of Durk's sentence changing were crushed immediately. The courtroom atmosphere was tense, with Lil Baby visibly frustrated, knowing that he had done everything in his power to help his friend. But in the world of law, emotions don't matter. Facts do. Reports indicate that the prosecution had been building their case meticulously, stacking up evidence against Durk for years. Their argument wasn't just based on witness statements or speculation. They had concrete proof linking him to serious charges. It's rumored that their counter-evidence included surveillance footage, digital forensics, and even testimonies that directly contradicted whatever Lil Baby brought to the table. The ruling left no room for doubt. Durk's situation wasn't improving. The denial of Lil Baby's evidence meant that the original case against Durk stood firm, leaving his final sentence unchanged. This was a devastating blow not just to Durk and his team, but to everyone who had been hoping for a different outcome. Lil Baby's involvement in the case speaks volumes about the brotherhood in hip-hop. He didn't just tweet about Durk's struggles or speak about it in interviews. He actively tried to intervene, using his resources and influence to fight for his friend. This level of loyalty is rare in an industry where friendships often dissolve under pressure. But even with all his power, Lil Baby couldn't bend the legal system to his will. The rejection of the evidence raises even bigger questions. What exactly did the prosecutors have that was so strong it overpowered Lil Baby's attempts? If the evidence he presented wasn't enough to make a difference, just how deep does this case go? And most importantly, is there any move left that could still help Durk? For Durk's fans, this was a heartbreaking moment. Many had clung to hope, believing that Lil Baby's intervention would change everything. Social media exploded with reactions, some furious at the justice system, others in disbelief that even with a top-tier legal team and industry backing, Durk's fate remained unchanged. Lil Baby himself has remained relatively silent since the ruling. While his frustration was evident in the courtroom, he hasn't spoken in detail about what exactly went down behind closed doors. What we do know is that he fought hard, and despite the setback, his loyalty to Durk hasn't wavered. As for Lil Durk, the reality of his situation is now setting in. With no changes to his final sentence, the focus shifts to his legal team's next move. Will they appeal? Can they find another angle to fight back? Or is this truly the end of the road? One thing is certain. This case isn't just about one rapper. It represents a larger conversation about the legal system, the power of influence, and the fine line that artists walk between their past and their present. Durk has built an empire off his music, rising from the trenches of Chicago to the top of the rap game. But as his case has proven, no amount of fame can erase a legal battle once it reaches this level. The rejection of Lil Baby's evidence is a reminder that in the eyes of the court, street credibility and industry status don't hold weight against hard facts. The prosecutors didn't just push back. They shut down any possibility of Durk walking free early. Their confidence in their case suggests they've built an airtight argument, leaving little room for maneuvering. What happens next will be crucial. Will Durk's legal team find another way to fight back? Will Lil Baby continue to support him in different ways? And how will this affect Durk's legacy in hip-hop? For now, all eyes are on the next steps. The dream of Lil Baby's evidence saving Durk has officially collapsed, and with no updates to his final sentence, the countdown to what comes next has begun.